This is one of my gravity defying series for my crochet hooks. Now it stay here, it goes through and sits beneath inside. That's why when you accidentally put it upside down, the friction is so strong it won't come out, and then of course it won't come out this way nor the side way. My gravity defying series, and the diameter is so tiny, even though you can put pencil in it, it doesn't really fit well. You have to kind of forcefully open it to get it through. It's just not as convenient as this one. This one has 1 centimeter width. This is 2.5 centimeter wide, or 2.2. Yeah, 2.2 or 2.5. Gravity Defying series for my crochet hook. This is actually the second version. The first version I was using the eyelet, but the eyelet cannot be controlled without a stabilizer. And then I tried to be environmental friendly to try to reduce the polyester backing usage. So so far this is a design that I can get away from using polyester backing and achieve the stability, even though I understand this will become much heavier than those plastic ones or polyester type of thingy. It feels nicer to the hand hold anyway. So, and this has opening the back, so I can put other lighter things like paper or the remnants, the terrible remnants inside. I don't know, just compulsively wanting to have bags so I can put things away, so I don't have to have things like lingering around and then occupy the entire working surfaces.